What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we took the Bronco out. We stole the wife's Bronco, and we're gonna go off-roading for the first time in the 2022 Big Bend Bronco. No lockers, but we have the GOAT mode, so we're gonna see how this compares to the ZR2, and we're just gonna have fun with it. I'm excited to take this thing out. This is the first time airing down the tires. Let's hit the trail.
That one wheel moving, that one's not. Is it a 4-low?
What the hell?
Hey, so the back passenger wheel's moving, the front passenger wheel or driver wheel is moving, not the other ones. Yeah, I don't either. That rabbit hop, dude. Is it in 4-low? Oh shit. Brake fade? Is there a rock mode? Something stinks. Tires, that China tire.
China tire?
That China tire. Smells like depression.
Smells like slavery.
Yeah. Big rock.
Fucking scary, dude.
So who did it better, Z71 or Bronco?
I don't know, that's just a little sketchy, dude. I don't like the tires spinning like that, especially with tie rods and CV axles with these fucking Broncos, but it did just fine, but it's a little scary. A little scary. Alright, well, the Bronco did it just fine. A little sketchy when the tires start spinning like that, because all I've really seen from the Broncos is them snapping CVs and tie rods and stuff. I mean, I'm probably fine, but a little scarred from watching some of those videos. I know my Z71, my old truck, I used to do that. I've never broken a CV from that, but just on the wife's Bronco, it's a little scary, and I don't like when it starts spinning like that. I'm aired down to like 13 psi, so I shouldn't have enough traction. But yeah, I know we didn't buy a Sasquatch. I know that's our fault. We got the Big Bend, but we're making it work. We're making it work with the Big Bend non-Sasquatch, and yeah, we got it. That was pretty fun. I'd have to say ZR2 beat it. So, but ZR2 has lockers. I only really would put the rear locker on anyways, but nice little fun loose rock gravel climb. So we're gonna relax in the car a little bit because it is hot as shit. No way it's 78. There's no way it's 78 degrees. Things wrong. Super hot. We're gonna chill out and hit another little obstacle here.
You're in that cradle. Here. That was it. You're out. No, no, you're good. Oh, you don't, huh? Crank my side, driver. Oh, you're gonna go up on a big one. Back up a little bit and crank, driver. Forward in, driver. That's neutral. Yep, straight. There you go, you threw it. No, you're good. Just power through it. You got it.
I can get it?
Yep. Yep. Keep passenger and just power through it. You got it. Keep going. There you go. Don't let off. Don't let off. Keep going.
All right, well that was a fun time. It's interesting coming from a ZR2 with front and rear lockers to a Bronco. Bronco drives great. I love that it has coilovers in the rear. It really just makes it drive so much better than a leaf sprung truck. But no lockers. I wish we did buy a Sasquatch because once you get those tires spinning, it's a little sketchy knowing the history of the Broncos and everything, but I think the wife's gonna be pissed. We got her Bronco covered in dirt. She dirty, but it's okay. I'll bring it to work and give it a car wash and it'll be all nice by Tuesday. So yeah, I love the Bronco. I love it. Wish I had lockers though, but honestly, like look at this thing. It looks so nice. That deviate tube style front bumper, like really just, oh, I love it. I need a matching rear bumper for the truck or Bronco. What do you guys call it? A truck? SUV? Bronco? Yeah, this thing looks so sweet. I can't wait to start building it out a little bit more. It looks so good. Definitely need a rear bumper because that rear bumper kind of sucks. And yeah, we're out here in the salt flats right now, or flats, Maricopa Flats. Oh, I always wear flip-flops and I regret it. But dang, look at that thing. So good. It's covered in dirt, and I told her not to get black, but she got black. So I'm back to a black vehicle like my Z71 was. But I'll get it all cleaned up. Don't worry, honey. I'll get it all cleaned up. But yeah, my solid comparison to the ZR2 and the Bronco is they're both very capable rigs. This thing is so nice. I wish it did have lockers though. That's one thing I wish we did. We spent an extra $8 grand for the Sasquatch package or whatever it is, but the Bilsteins that I have on it that are the Sasquatch takeoffs, they're pretty nice. They're pretty nice. Yeah, it's gonna be a simple build. I hit the step a little bit today, just a little bit. So it's super high clearance. Like I don't know, drives really good. Definitely need tie rod sleeves before I start not getting scared about breaking the tie rods. I don't want that to happen. So tie rod sleeves, and I better bring an extra CV just in case, because I've seen a lot of videos of Broncos breaking, so I just need to keep in mind next time. Yeah, this today has been pretty nice driving the Bronco. I'm still gonna say, I still gotta say the ZR2 wheels better because of lockers and longer wheelbase. But I don't even want to know how it feels driving a two-door Bronco. I feel like that would be pretty sketchy. But yeah, we didn't hit nothing beside a little bit of on the step. But what do you expect? These are the deviate steps, so they are super high clearance still. Yeah, that bumper is so nice. If you guys are in the market for a new bumper for your Bronco, make sure to use code downtime lost and get yourself 10% off. I can actually put a light bar in here too, and put the hoop. I'll throw a photo over here on top of their Bronco that they have. I eventually do want to do the lights like my my rigid 360 series light bar. I want to put 3 of them up front like that also, and hopefully when Deviate comes out with the rear bumper, we can do that also. I've had a couple things with the Bronco. Something's rattling back here a little bit, just off-roading. I don't know if it's I need a tire reinforcement kit or something, but even with the spare tire on there, it still kind of did that. I don't know. Leave it down in the comments if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's a little rattle. I thought it was at first, I thought it was this thing, these shits, but I don't think that's what it is. Something's rattling back here and I don't know what it is, but we're definitely gonna start building it out. We want to get a sleeping system back here because we do want to take some trips out to the beach and go surfing and stuff. So we do want to be able to take the Bronco, gets better gas mileage than my ZR2 does, and get a little table right here. Throw down in the comments what you guys recommend. I'm totally new to the whole Bronco world, but I'm really digging it. It's a really fun SUV, really fun. This is probably the only SUV I'd ever buy as a Bronco. The wife loves it, I love it. Does good, gets decent gas mileage. So yeah, super stoked on this thing. It's covered in dirt, and the wife might be mad, but we're gonna have fun with it. Throw down in the comments if you guys like the Bronco content. I know my whole YouTube is based off the ZR2, but the Bronco is a fun build. It's been fun having this thing and kind of having a new platform, I would have to say. It's definitely not as capable as my ZR2 because, like I said, I wish we got the Sasquatch with the lockers and the sway bar disconnect, blah, 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 blah. And it's pretty hard to put lockers in this thing, so we're probably just gonna keep it as is. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I did it for you guys. Peace out. Love you. Bye.